In order to gain access to the engine compartment on the Boxster, you need to place the convertible top in the service position. Raise the top so that the front edge is about 10 inches above the front windshield. The rear cover should be up about as far as it can go during the process of opening the roof. Once the roof is in the service position, there are a few steps that you need to take in order to access the top of the engine. A. Disconnect the convertible top plastic fabric rod from the two connectors at the rear bulkhead as indicated by the yellow arrow. B. Find and pull off the lower ball head of the convertible top tension cables on each side, red arrow. Push the bottom of the folding top towards the front of the car. C. Rotate the snaps and remove the rear shelf compartment from underneath the convertible top. D. Rotate the clips on the engine compartment cover and lift off. If you wish to have greater access to the engine compartment, you can disconnect the linkage for the rear cover and slide it up into a position closer to the front of the car. Simply disconnect the small lower circlip from each side, yellow arrow, and push the roof forward. Then hold it in place with spare screwdrivers inserted into the locking holes to keep it secure, blue arrow. Make sure to secure the rear cover, sometimes called the camshell cover, carefully. If it falls, the two nipples on the underside may dent the trunk lid. The air filter is located on the left side of the engine compartment. Snap out the spring clips and pull up on the black plastic housing, green arrow, and you should be able to reach in and pull the filter out. Later cars have a different style air cleaner and filter. Begin by removing the two screws on the front cover, then remove the single screw that attaches the filter to the box. Then wiggle the filter insert out. Transfer the mounting plate to the new filter and reinstall. Pull up on the air filter cartridge and remove it from the car. You should then be able to easily remove the air filter and replace it with a new one. The early style is shown in the insert photo. While you're replacing the engine air filter, I recommend that you also swap out the cabin air filter as well, sometimes referred to as the pollen filter. The pollen filter is located in the front trunk on the right side of the car. Remove the plastic panel just in front of the windshield on the right side, upper left, with a T25 torque driver. Then reach in and pull out the filter. Install a new filter in its place, upper right, and replace the plastic panel. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.